Hey y'all, I'm Nick from Holiday River Expeditions. Today we're here in Westwater Canyon talking about a very important subject on river trips, and that's where am I going to go to the restroom on my trip. Basically we say first off, if you need to go while we are not in camp, you're going to want to go in the river. That goes for the fellas and the ladies. It's so easy while you're swimming to just lean back, relax, and let it all go, or grab the rope or the chicken line on the side of the boat. That might help you relax. You can use the restroom. If you happen to be on shore when not in camp, be nice, ladies go about waist deep in and fellas go about ankle deep in and do your number one urination business like that. As far as camp goes, we have what we refer to as the banos, and it's two separate boxes. They're made of plastic, they're about this large, and they have conventional toilet seats on them. One is the urinal. It's for nothing but urine, period, ever, because we dump that to the river every morning, so no toilet paper, nothing else will go in there. The other banyo we have is for solid waste. You will deposit your solid waste in there, and also anything you flush into a regular septic system, toilet paper pretty much being the only thing. There's a close garbage can if we need to put anything in, such as hygiene products or anything you would throw in a trash can and not flush it home. That'll be right by the banyos, and also a military ammunition can called the banyo can that has toilet paper and such as that. So we're very set up for you to go comfortably in the woods in a private secluded place away from camp. So guys, before you go to the banyo, we're going to ask that you would turn the green placard around to red so that people know that it's occupied, and when you return from the banyo, turn it back around to green so that other guests will know that it is vacant and can be used. Also, we'd ask that you wash your hands with our foot-powered faucet here, and then use soap and or hand sanitizer and the nail brush we have. Finish up and go on back to camp. So there you have it. That's everything you need to know about going to the restroom on your river trip. Have a great time out there, guys. Hope to see you on the river.